Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. We have a lot of AI templates which you can use. You can see here a lot of AI templates which you can copy. All you have to do is tap on the try option here. As you can see here, this is the prompt that they have used. And if you do want to copy the same prompt that they have used to create this video, let's tap on the try option here, and it will select, let's say, text to video option. And text to video, it will pretty much load up the prompt that they have used to pretty much create that video. Very simple. So that's pretty much it for the template section. Most of these templates, all you have to do is select the one that you want. Let's say you like this one here, just tap on it and pretty much copy the prompt that they have used to create this video. However, you can save any one of these preset videos here that you see. Anyways, so at the top here you have the image to text to video option here. So if I do tap on this option here, you'll be able to upload an image, and as well you can pretty much enter what I want the image to, what I want to be done to that image and so forth. Down here you have the other options where you're allowed to select the aspect ratio, the resolution of the video, and as well hold on the video, how long you want the video. So I just watch 12 seconds. So here at the top here is pretty much where you put your prompt, and as well if you want to erase it, anything that you have entered, you want to erase it, you pretty much just tap on this option here. So that's pretty much it for that. There, the text to video option, which I've pretty much gone through already, but here you put the prompt. Once you have entered your prompt, down here be able to enter your information as raise the aspect ratio, resolution of the video, as well how long you want the video to be. So very simple application to use, and can either use the plus icon here to pretty much enter these the same section that I've just reviewed, as well by just tapping on these. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as it relates to the subscription, you're going to need a subscription to use this application here. So you're going to tap on this at the top here where it says this here. You pretty much will need to sign in. Once you have signed in, it will pretty much show you their subscription page and prices as it relates to this application here. So that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.